It's been really good using the Freelancer Club because the platform is actually really easy to use. We simply did a brief, put it out there, and then we had quite a few applicants pretty swiftly actually. It was brilliant to have the choice, but also to be able to meet the different people who applied and have a conversation with them to understand if the project was right for them as well as if they were right for us. Freelancers give us the flexibility that we need. Freelancers are also really useful, we find, in trying out different ideas.
So I chose to go freelance because I wanted to do something a bit more interesting. Also being able to work my own hours when I wanted, and also being able to choose what I wanted to do.
We have lots of different businesses who use Zipcar, and they use them in lots of different ways.
The process has been really simple. The website has been really nice and simple to use. We've had lots of exchanges in messages, sort of back and forth between myself and Zipcar. Can't really fault it really. I think this is probably one of the more unique shoots that I've done in my time. It's been a really good experience so far.
It's been really great working with Calvin. His response to the brief was fantastic, really detailed, and he really got the idea of why we wanted to do what we're doing here today. And we really vibed together, which is one of the reasons we picked him.